Swordfish gets airborne. And with this segment, we tell the story of some famous Fleet Air Arm aircraft types of the Second World War, beginning with the immortal Fairey Swordfish. The original design was given the designation TSR-1, TSR for Torpedo Spotter Reconnaissance. With modifications and the Bristol Pegasus engine, hardly surprising that upon the outbreak of war in 1939, the Swordfish was already outmoded. With an underslung torpedo, this aircraft's maximum speed, or cruising speed I should say, was just 82 knots. An equal, if not perhaps even greater, notoriety with aircraft carrier ships, which were oilers or grain-carrying vessels with a simple flat deck welded above the hull. They flew also from standard aircraft carriers, of course, and the smaller escort carriers. This Mark I, built by Blackburn Aircraft at Sherburn in Elmet, served from 1941 to 44 with the Royal Navy, later with the Royal Canadian Air Force.